welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks to help you increase the speed of your Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, so whether you are looking for a accelerate your download speed or improve your overall browsing experience, it will be very useful for you. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's start some general tips to optimize Microsoft Edge performance. For that, first you have to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Now you have to just click on the three dots menu in the top right corner. So go to the settings, click here. Once the setting page will open, in the left side pane you will find privacy, search and service. Just click on this. Now under the clear browsing data sections, choose the relevant option and click on clear to remove unnecessary files. Choose what to clear. Okay, just click on here. So from here you have to just clear your browsing history, download history, cookies and other sites, cache, image and files. Okay, no need to remove password. Have to just click on clear now. So it will remove unnecessary data which may slow down your browsing experience. Okay, once you done it, let's proceed to the next move. So for that, the same way you have to just click on the three dots over here. Now you have to click on extension and here you have to click on manage extension. So I don't have any extension over here. If you have any extension that you don't actively use, okay, or that may slow down your browser, so you need to remove the unnecessary extension from here. Once you done, now proceed to the next move. Okay, so now I am going to update my Microsoft Edge browser. For that same way, you have to click on three dots in the top right corner, and from here you have to click on once again settings. In the left side pane you have to click on about Microsoft Edge, and here you will find there is an update for our Microsoft Edge. So you need to update the Microsoft Edge browser. Keeping your browser up to date ensure you have the latest performance improvement and bugs fixes. After that, you need to restart your browser. Now let's focus on enhance your browsing and download speed. Okay, so for that, here you have to type edge : /flags and hit enter. And here you have to search for parallel downloading. You have to write parallel. Here you will find parallel downloading. Okay, so you have to enable the features. For that, you have to just click over here and you have to choose enable. And after that, restart your browser for the change to take effects. Okay, so it will once again restart your Microsoft Edge browser. Once this is done, now proceed to the next step. We need to disable Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. So for that, once again you have to just click on three dots in the upper right corner, and from here you have to select settings. In the left side pane you have to click on privacy, search and service, and you have to scroll down little bit, and under security tabs you have to find Microsoft Defender Smart Screen for faster download. So you need to disable this. If it is enabled, it performs various checks and scans to determine the safety of websites, download and application, which is good, but you have to compromise with your browsing speed then. Okay, so it is better to disable this Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Now I am going to proceed to the last step, to enable hardware acceleration also. So in the left side pane you will find system and performance. Just click on this, and here you will find use hardware acceleration when available. If it is enabled, it is good, otherwise you need to just enable this likewise. Okay, enable these options allow Microsoft Edge to utilize your computer's graphic processing unit GPU for rendering tasks to offload some of the processing tasks from the CPU, which can enhance the browsing speed. Okay, and one thing you can do, you have to disable these features. Continue running background extension and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. So it will definitely gonna help you. So So you need to just disable this. So these are some effective tips and tricks to increase the speed of Microsoft Edge. So by implementing these techniques, you will be able to enjoy faster download and smoother browsing. Okay, so if you have any further question, encounter any issue, please feel free to leave a comments in the section below. I will be then more happy to attend your queries and provide further guidance. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.